Welcome to our exploration of one of the most profound questions in existence. Who created Allah? As we journey through this intriguing topic, we will discuss the creation of the universe, the nature of time, and the essence of Allah. This video seeks to unravel these complexities and provide clarity on a subject that has sparked curiosity for centuries. Have you ever pondered the origins of everything around you? If the Big Bang marked the beginning of the universe, what existed before it? How can we comprehend the infinite nature of Allah, who is often described as eternal and all-powerful? Join us as we dive deep into these inquiries and seek to understand the divine. To understand the question of who created Allah, we first need to explore the concept of creation itself. In Islamic theology, Allah is described as the creator of the heavens and the earth. The Quran states, Allah is the creator of all things, Surah Zumar 39:62. This establishes that everything we see around us is a product of His will. When we think about creation, it often leads us to the Big Bang Theory, which suggests that our universe began from a singular point and expanded rapidly. However, this raises the question, if everything began with the Big Bang, what was there before it? This is where we start to grapple with the concept of time and existence itself. Time, as we understand it, is a dimension created along with the universe. It began at the moment of the Big Bang, making it a created concept. This leads us to the intriguing idea that Allah exists outside of time. He is not bound by the temporal limitations that define our reality. Philosophers and theologians have long debated the nature of time in relation to Allah. If time did not exist before the Big Bang, then Allah, being eternal, must have always existed. He is independent of the universe and time itself. Allah is often described in Islamic texts as Al-Awwal, the first, and Al-Akhir, the last, indicating His timeless nature. To further understand Allah's existence, we must contemplate His infinite nature. Allah is not limited by space, time, or physical form. He exists beyond our comprehension. The Quran emphasizes His greatness and transcendence, stating, "There is nothing like Him." Surah Ash-Shura 42:11. This raises questions about the very essence of Allah. If Allah is infinite, then He has no beginning or end. His existence is not contingent upon the universe or anything else. Rather, the universe itself is a manifestation of His will and creative power. Philosophically, the question of who created Allah challenges our understanding of causality. In our world, everything has a cause, every effect has a preceding event. However, Allah exists as the uncaused cause. He is the origin of everything, yet He Himself is not created. This is a fundamental concept in Islamic philosophy. The idea of a first cause is crucial in understanding the nature of Allah. If we accept that something cannot come from nothing, we arrive at the conclusion that Allah is the necessary being whose existence is self-sufficient. Some contemporary scientists propose the multiverse theory, suggesting the existence of multiple, perhaps infinite universes. This theory adds another layer to our understanding of creation and existence. If there are multiple universes, how does that impact our perception of Allah as the creator? Regardless of how many universes exist, the central truth remains: Allah is the ultimate creator. Each universe, if it exists, is still a product of His will. The multiverse theory does not diminish Allah's omnipotence. Instead, it highlights His limitless power to create in various forms. In exploring these complex concepts, faith plays a pivotal role. For many, belief in Allah provides comfort and answers to life's profound questions. It instills a sense of purpose and direction, guiding individuals through uncertainty and challenges. When faced with existential inquiries, embracing faith allows us to trust that Allah has a plan, even when we may not understand it fully. This trust fosters resilience and a deeper connection to the divine, reassuring us that Allah has always existed and will continue to guide us. To truly grasp Allah's existence, we must recognize that His nature transcends human understanding. Allah exists beyond the confines of our universe and is not limited by our definitions of time and space. In Islamic belief, Allah's essence is described in the Quran, emphasizing His attributes. He is the first and the last, the manifest and the hidden. Surah Al-Hadid 57:3. This encapsulates the understanding that Allah is eternal and encompasses all of existence. Belief in Allah serves as a source of comfort during challenging times. It reassures us that we are part of a greater plan and that there is a purpose behind our struggles. The knowledge that Allah is always present offers solace and guidance, particularly when we encounter difficulties. When we face adversity, remembering that Allah has always existed before time, space, and the universe can bring a sense of peace. We are reminded that His presence transcends our challenges, guiding us through every trial. In Islam, Allah is known by many names, each representing different attributes. These names, such as Ar-Rahman, the most merciful, and Al-Hakim, the all-wise, provide insight into His infinite nature. Understanding these attributes helps us connect with Allah on a personal level. By reflecting on Allah's attributes, we can cultivate a deeper appreciation for His existence and His role in our lives. Each name reveals a facet of His character, inviting us to seek His guidance and mercy. Science and religion often intersect in discussions about the origins of the universe. While the Big Bang Theory provides a scientific explanation for the beginning of the universe, it does not address the question of who created the Creator. This is where faith and science can coexist. Many scientists acknowledge that the universe had a beginning, aligning with the idea of a creator. As we delve into the realms of cosmology, quantum physics, and philosophy, we find that the exploration of these topics can lead us closer to understanding Allah's nature. The universe is a vast, interconnected tapestry of creation. Everything within it serves a purpose, reflecting Allah's intricate design. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, each element is part of His divine plan. This interconnectedness invites us to recognize our place within the universe. Just as every star has a role, so do we. Our actions can contribute to the greater good, guided by the principles of faith and compassion instilled by Allah. Life is filled with uncertainties, and the question of existence is among the greatest unknowns. Embracing the unknown can be challenging, but faith in Allah provides a sense of direction and purpose. By trusting in Allah's plan, we can find comfort amid uncertainty. The belief that Allah is the ultimate guide allows us to navigate life's complexities with confidence, knowing that He is always with us. Faith acts as a guiding light in our lives, illuminating the path ahead and helping us make sense of our experiences. When we cultivate a strong connection with Allah, we find clarity and strength, even in the face of challenges. This light encourages us to seek knowledge, act with kindness, and remain steadfast in our beliefs. It allows us to view life through a lens of positivity and hope, fostering resilience amid adversity. Engaging in reflection and self-discovery is vital for personal growth. Taking the time to evaluate our beliefs, actions, and intentions allows us to align ourselves with Allah's guidance. Through reflection, we gain insights into our purpose and our relationship with the divine. This practice fosters a deeper understanding of our journey and the lessons Allah imparts along the way. Dua, or supplication, is a powerful tool that connects us with Allah. It allows us to express our thoughts, desires, and concerns, inviting His guidance and mercy into our lives. Engaging in regular dua strengthens our relationship with Allah, reminding us that He is always listening and ready to respond. By pouring our hearts out to Allah, we can find peace and comfort, regardless of our circumstances. The journey of faith is unique for each individual. It is a path filled with experiences, challenges, and moments of clarity. Recognizing that Allah is always present on this journey allows us to find strength in our beliefs. As we navigate our paths, we can draw inspiration from the stories of prophets and believers throughout history, each facing their own challenges and discovering the power of faith in their lives. Living with intention means aligning our actions with our beliefs and values. It involves making conscious choices that reflect our commitment to our faith and the teachings of Islam. By practicing intentional living, we can cultivate a life filled with purpose, compassion, and gratitude. This intentionality invites blessings into our lives and strengthens our connection to Allah. Change is an inherent part of life, and embracing it can lead to growth and new opportunities. Understanding that Allah orchestrates these changes allows us to approach them with faith and optimism. When we encounter transitions, whether in our personal lives or spiritual journeys, we can trust that Allah is guiding us towards something greater. Embracing change enables us to learn and evolve. Gratitude plays a crucial role in our spiritual journey. Taking time to reflect on our blessings fosters a positive mindset and reinforces our connection to Allah. By practicing gratitude daily, we can shift our focus from what we lack to appreciating what we have. This shift allows us to recognize Allah's continuous guidance and presence in our lives. In conclusion, we have explored the intricate relationship between Allah, the universe, and the questions of existence. Allah, the creator of the heavens and the earth, has always existed, transcending time and space. He is the uncaused cause, the essence of existence itself. As we navigate our lives, may we recognize the signs of His guidance and embrace the journey He has laid before us. Remember that Allah's presence is eternal, and He is always with us, guiding us to greater blessings.